Watch this video if you want to know where I think commercial real estate's going to go in 2024 and where the best buying opportunities are going to be. We've been waiting for this for a long time. 2024, it's all about what I'm about to tell you here. All right, so this is an investment thesis for us that we've been waiting for years. There's going to be a period of time where vacancy skyrockets in some markets over certain asset classes. So really the way you figure this out is you have gross potential rent, because you asked me, are you buying it at a discount? Well, kind of. Gross potential rent. So that's basically all the rent you could collect. So say you could collect $1 million, right? Million, zero, let's move that. Then you have minus vacancy before you subtract expenses. So what's that vacancy? So is it 5% like everyone's been underwriting for the past 4 or 5 years? Or is it 25%? So really, you're purchasing it at the cap rate that you want to buy it at. So you have the rent income minus expenses. So whatever expenses are, I don't know, 300,000 equals NOI. And then you're going to pay the proper market cap rate to this NOI, so call it a 7 cap. But the larger this number is, the less number this will be. So will this number go down over time? And the thought is that if you buy something at a super high vacancy, that no one in their right mind will enter the market and build that product. So as time goes on, the vacancy will continue to drop as long as the area continues to develop around it. So if you buy like say this is a storage facility, 25% vacancy, no one in their right mind will bring a storage complex into the area, but they will continue to build residential. So residential will continue, which resi will go up, which means that there will be more people, there will be more of a demand, and you will be able to sell this at the same economics, just this number will be maybe 15% or 10%. Now you could sell it at a 7 cap at a 10% vacancy and you really built up a lot of value. And this is the only number that changed. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful or you enjoyed it at all, coming from a real estate office, from us to you, giving you free information, which we love doing, hit that subscribe button. It helps us a lot. It makes us know that you love us, or lets us know that you love watching these videos and encourages us to do more. And hit the bell so you get a little ring